1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's play. Jump rope 10 times in a row. Once you do, I let you go. I wanna play with someone. Ready? Go! Oops, you messed up. Wow, that's great. Let's play again. Sometime soon.
Ooh, that makes me sad.
Let's try again.
Give me something great. I'll take that. It's mine now. What? No items. No items. No pass. I want those sticks. I'm gonna take your cane. Thanks for the generous donation.
Looks like it's sweeping time! Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep!
0, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus, minus, times, divided by, equals, problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. That's right! Just click on it with the left mouse button to pick it up. Then, when you find something you can use it on, right-click on the object with the quarter selected. That's how you use items, you know. You got it. Good one. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. I can't believe it. You're incredible.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is... get out while you still can!
You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. You're doing fantastic. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Great job! Welcome to my schoolhouse. Oh, hi. Welcome to Baldis Basics in Education and Learning. That's me. Wow! Let's go camping. All right, all set. I'll go set up the bear traps. I want you to keep the fire going. Go out into the woods and collect firewood. Then bring it back to refuel the fire. The bigger the fire is, the more points you'll earn. All right, go for it.
Detention for you. You should know better. When will you learn? Your parents will hear about this one. No eating food in the halls. Your parents will hear about this one. No escaping detention in the halls. No looking in other people's lockers in the halls. No entering school faculty-only rooms in the halls. 99 seconds. 60 seconds. No drinking drinks in the halls. 45 seconds. 15 seconds. 30 seconds. No breaking the fourth wall in the halls. No stabbing people with pencils in the halls. No bullying in the halls. No making a game in college in the halls. No running in the halls.
I have lost you. I don't like that. Oh. No. Will you marry me? I am looking for you. I see you. Friend. I am coming, ready your door, here I come. I hug people for all eternity. I have been programmed to desire your image.
Ooh,
I want to meet someone.
sad.
Will you marry me or all of
No entering the hall.
Welcome to Bali's Basics in Education and Learning.
Wow, great job. Please try and do worse though. I need to...
1 divided by 0 equals 3, 2.
Good job. I'm glad you found me. Look, I have something kind of important to say.
5 divided by 4 equals 3, 5.
Good job.
5 minus 5 equals